My name is Abdul Khafer and I'll be your trainer for the day. I'll show you how to create dimensions in Hyperion planning. Now what are dimensions? Dimensions categorize data values. There are 7 dimensions pre-made in the application when you install it. Dimensions structure is based on the organization's planning process. There are members included in different dimensions. They are also known as children of the dimension. You can create up to 13 custom dimensions. Now there are 2 types of dimensions, sparse and dense. Sparse dimensions like data values in majority of the member companies, and dense dimensions have data values for majority of the members. Now let's go to the application and I'll show you how to create dimensions. First of all, you have to log in. Select your application in which you want to create the dimension. Go to console, dimensions. As you can see, there are certain dimensions already created when I installed the application. So let's simply create the dimension. Name it. I'll name it conventional. You can put in a description if you want, but I won't. You can also create an alias for the dimension. 2-pass calculation is a formula that needs to be run twice to achieve a result, but let's skip these for now. Click on plan type. And display option. Display option is member name or alias if you have created a member alias for it. So click done, and the dimension is created. You can also import dimension from a production environment to a test environment, and you can also export the dimension from a test environment to a production environment. Thank you for watching.